Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2013 on a 13 plate Peugeot partner Horizon SE. This is the wheelchair access vehicle with a 1.6 turbo diesel engine, 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Kyanos blue metallic, and it's covered less than 23,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this very low mileage diesel wheelchair access Peugeot partner. Very popular with us. If you keep an eye on our channel, or you know us as a business, you know that we do quite a number of these wheelchair access vehicles. But we always tend to have one in stock at a time. This is a nice one. August 2013 registered. 22,900 miles, finished in the Kyanos blue metallic, which is a really nice Peugeot colour. We've got Michelin cross-climate tyres all the way around with really good tread. 22,900 miles from just 2 owners with a really good service history. We've got 9 service stamps in the book, so despite the very low mileage, properly maintained throughout its life. This is a 3-seater model, so 2 seats in the front, 1 seat in the back, then obviously room for your wheelchair, scooter. But we have sold lots of these, and for lots of different purposes. Ideal if you're a gardener, keen golfer, so it's not just necessarily just for wheelchair use. Of course, the ramp does come in handy, and obviously it's sort of van size and shape, so really practical. This is the 92 brake horsepower 1.6 turbo diesel with a 5-speed manual gearbox, well over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run. And this is the Horizon conversion with an SE spec, so really nice level of trim. As we take a look inside, it's very clean and tidy throughout, especially for one of these. Remote central locking does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Door cards are in good shape. Electronically adjustable door mirrors, there's your 2 keys. Up onto the steering wheel, which is also in good condition. You've got some radio controls down there. Down below we've got handbrake, cup holders, some storage. Very straightforward setup. You've got a 5-speed manual gearbox, electric front windows, air conditioning, radio CD player, then all your trip computer and so on comes up on the display up there. We've got glove box, and then there's bits of storage here, there and everywhere. Up above we've got a big storage box up there, and that's where all the handbooks live. A couple of fold down armrests. Obviously you've got that higher seating position, so it makes access even for the driver a lot more straightforward. Sliding rear doors, and then into the back you've got the singular seat on the side, which was the configuration that most of these had. Obviously you've got your harnesses and so on, and then round to the back of the car you've got parking sensors across the rear bumper that are finished there in black, and then of course you've got the ramp with the winch. Nice and tidy, it's not had a hard life. A nice example. So there we have it. August 2013 Peugeot partner Horizon SE with a 1.6 turbo diesel manual gearbox, 22,900 miles from 2 owners with a 9 stamp service history, 50 plus miles to the gallon. Finance is available from less than £170 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT, 2 keys along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely example, really good history, no doubt will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.